Welcome to Focus Garage. Today we're going to work on the Project Lemon Swedish Fish. We have this car over here, which is an engine donor to our Fiero project, which is horses in the back. When you love engines so much, you get another one for your donor car. So this is our engine donor to our engine donor. What we're going to do is we're going to drop the engine from this and then put it in here with a big turbo and some other upgrades, and we're going to test it out, how good the drivetrain is and if there's any problems or not. And then once that is complete, which is going to be probably midsummer, we're going to drop that engine into the Fiero horses in the back. So I'm going to take you guys along with me to Brad's garage, and we're going to work on it in the cold Chicago winter, because that's what we love. We got this black car started up, running, everything is running fine. The problem was that these Saabs are very sensitive to battery. So the battery was at 11.7, either shutting off the injectors or it was shutting off the fuel, whatever. It was running for 5 seconds and it was cutting off. So replaced the battery with a good one, started up, and it ran for a while. And then we're like, that's good enough. So we remove all the wiring, all this stuff, injectors and all that. Exhaust is gone. Radiator hose are uninstalled. And now Brad over there working on the ABS sensor. We're trying to remove that. And then it's ready to drop. We're going to drop this engine, and then we're gonna pull this one in, drop that engine, put a bigger turbo on it, and this is the intercooler, baby one. We're gonna remove that and put a bigger intercooler, and we're just gonna send it. This is a really nice direct ignition car that gives you a really good 25%, plus 25%. So you can run the fuel plus 25% without any tune or anything like that. It will just auto adjust itself, which is awesome. That's something not a lot of cars do that. So because of that, we could just put a little bit bigger turbo on it. I think, what turbo are we putting on? TD04?
TD04 15T?
15T, yeah. We just pulled off from Saab 9.5, so just wanted to give you guys a little update. It's really cold out, but yeah, he's fine. How are you, Dave?
I'm alright. My hands a little cold.
Yeah. So Dave is helping us here. He's doing a lot of work. We remove all this stuff as well. You know, we're just going to drop the subframe, which is the easiest way to drop an engine, I guess. We'll find out. So much spaghetti.
So much spaghetti in this bad boy.
Yeah. Oh, show you guys around. This is Brad's little garage.
You don't want to know. You got the lock on that side, Dave?
Up, right?
Yep. Coming down.
Oh, hold on. Let me remove. No, so we're gonna put the wheels on, and then we're gonna drop it. So Brad is pulling the bolts off. We have it on jack stands. How many bolts are there?
6.
6 bolts.
Tell me when you're ready to go up.
You're gonna be the reason that this video is not monetized.
Sorry.
Ready to go up?
No.
Nope.
6.
Send it?
Send it. Send it, Dave. The Swedish Fish. So weird. This car has a really green coolant.
Really green.
Really green.
Alright, take it up like a little bit.
Oh, I see the engine move.
Okay, let's do a quick check for grounds. For high tensile ground straps.
Load bearing.
stop for a second and take a assessment, see what's gonna be.
No grounds here.
These are all fine.
Can you push those heater hose?
Come back up. Yeah.
Were you
Oh.
down?
No, me up.
The
Or, yeah, down.
radiator hose.
Yeah, just the radiator hose just needs to be.
Good. Slimy.
You got 7 millimeter right there. 8.
Oh, that one.
8. 7.
It's almost out. So it took us like 3 hours to do
Is
this.
it 3?
Well, is it 2 o'clock? Yep, it's 2 o'clock.
You start 11?
We started at 11, yeah, I would say.
Yeah, just gotta
Ma-
tease it out.
Maybe 2 hours. I think we got here at 11 and took us an hour to get this started.
Robert.
So, do we have any? There's no connection over there. We're good. You have any electrical connection that it's like preventing us? No.
Don't see anything.
Yep.
Yeah, go for it. Alright, quick check.
Good.
Over here. Throttle cable.
No connections here. No ground straps or anything like that.
Yeah, go ahead and go.
Oh is it doing it your side? It's just moving. Why is it moving?
It's probably like just looking at the engine bay. Is it pulling on the engine somewhere?
Yeah, just, I mean, the engine weight's sort of in balance, right? Yeah, just keep going. We can put the wheels on it if you want, but it's not gonna hold anything up.
No. You probably get it.
Hey, going up.
Okay.
Go ahead and get the plans out.
Now Dave is the car.
I'm the chassis.
Oh, it's on the transmission.
Oh, there you go.
There you
Dave, you're a car.
Now we're going to drop this up and roll it out
Somehow.
somehow.
That
Oh, well.
coolant's really green.
I don't know. What'd you use?
What happened?
Like, so green.
That would be really easy to bypass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the end of the chapter. We're going to continue working on the red car, probably following weekend, when the weather gets better a little bit, and also I have better clothes to keep myself warm because it was getting ridiculously cold. I couldn't feel my fingers or my toes, and my legs were getting cold as well. So it was very painful to work without a proper clothing. You guys saw what Brad was wearing, and he was very toasty. So I like to be toasty. I will be buying something similar to that to keep myself warm while working on the car during the winter time. So we're going to work on the red car probably outside the garage because we didn't drop the black car down. There's no way of us moving the car around the garage or around the driveway because there's no subframe. So the best idea to just leave it where it is because we have to put it back there anyway to put the other engine in. So we're just going to leave that there and work on the red car. We do need to remove a couple of stuff from the red car besides the drivetrain. We're going to remove the wiring harness and some interior bits that we need for the black car. Anyway, that car is going to go to junkyard. Our goal is to do that, and then eventually when we are ready to move on the project, the black car will go to junkyard as well. Or we just love it so much that we keep it around. Who knows? But anyway, I'm going to end this video now. If you guys have any questions about the project, or if you guys have any comments, ask why are we doing this. I got no answer for you. I don't know. I ask that question to myself, to Brad and Dave all the time, and even Mike. We have no idea. We're crazy. But yep, kudos to all. Thanks for watching.